Alright, good morning everyone sa Pilipinas. Good afternoon pala. Good morning na ba sa Pilipinas? Good morning pa ba sa Pilipinas ngayon o good afternoon na po? Ayan. We are back po. Hindi po signal ang trip natin ngayon. Ang pag-uusapan po natin ngayon ay tungkol sa API, Binance API. Okay, magandang morning. Hintayin po natin mga kasamaan natin na papasok na po dito. Meron na po tayong isang viewer, dalawang viewer, tatlong viewer pumapasok. Ayan, pasok. Ipasok. Q&A lang po tayo mga friends. Ilagay ko lang dito sa baba ha. Q&A lang tayo ngayon. Pag may mga tanong kayo tungkol sa Q&A. Hey, time. Kung ano po ang ibig sabihin ng oops. Ano natin to? Ilagay, i-marquee natin. Edit. I-scroll. Q&A time tayo ngayon mga friends. Pag may mga tanong kayo at saka mga pa-shoutout. Ayan, live po tayo ngayon sa YouTube at ilang channel live tayo today guys. Sa personal Facebook page ko, kay Crypto Damus, kay BTC 101, sa Digos Live. Live din po tayo sa Digos Live. Again, pinost ko po kanina na I just posted that we are offering again the Binance API sa futures. Okay? Kasi po, hindi lang pala back trade tayo Not just back trading but for 6 days successive po tayo. Sana tuloy-tuloy na po tayo. For 6 days guys, pasok po lahat ng mga trades natin. All target. So in one day, meron tayong 6 or 5 or 6 mga trades na ginagawa at lahat po yun ay pasok. Disclaimer po muna bago tayo mag-umpisa mga friends. This is not a financial advice. In fact, this is just for cryptocurrency tokens lang po. And then yun. USDT po ang trades natin dito at saka in any other coin paired with other coins, USDT. So, unang-una, may maraming tanong, paano po mag-API sa Binance? Madali lang po, guys. For example, open tayo ng Binance, Open tayo sandali dito ng Binance natin. Yan, sarap ng music, no? Binance withdrawal. Ay, hindi yan. Dito tayo sa kabila. I wonder why. Binance.us. Kaso po, dito sa Amerika, wala po tayong Binance.com dito. So, ang nangyayari, hindi po makapag-trade ng futures ang mga resident po ng US of A. So, ako, may account ako sa Pilipinas na pwede ko namang magamit. That is the advantage kung, alam mo na, doble ang mo. Ayan, so login muna natin. Ano po ang Binance API? Yung Binance API po, yun po ang method that's the method. Englishin natin guys kasi may nakikinig siguro ng mga ibang tao, ibang mga lahi. Okay? Let's just do it in English. Intindihan naman siguro ng lahat kung mag-i-English ako, Alright. Binance API, guys, is a way wherein your Binance platform, your Binance trading platform could be managed by someone else from the other place. Ganun lang po ang ibig sabihin ng API. Meaning to say, pag meron kang Binance trades, meron kang Binance futures to be specific, that could actually be managed by someone else kami, ang grupo namin, that without be having you compromised your email, password, etc. And it's very safe and super secure kasi po, unang-una, kayo lang po ang makapag-withdraw ng account ninyo. The only thing that you allow the trader is you allow the trader to make some trades, to execute some trades. Yun lang po ang Binance API. So, alam naman po siguro ng marami kung ano ang Binance. Ano? Binance is a very, one of the biggest, in fact, the biggest exchange, the largest exchange, crypto exchange sa balat ng earth. Alright? Yan po ang Binance.com or Binance.us. So, since we are uh, particularly interested with the futures, then we are only using Binance.com as opposed to using Binance.us. So, unfortunately, guys, to the US residents, since there's no way you guys can trade with futures, kasi nga it's highly regulated, then sorry. All right? Sorry. So only people who live, and a resident outside of the US are able to create accounts in Binance.com. Binance.com. So, again, guys, ba't ginagawa natin to? I mean, I'm just sharing some blessings, sharing yung mga success ko, which is, I'm sharing at first, and people were asking, it's so hard. Hindi nila alam kung paano, they don't know where to set the profit. They don't know where to stop. They don't know how to do a stop loss. Some technical aspects of trading. Hello, Jesse Mejias. Maayong udto, Sir Pete. Maayong udto, Sir Jesse. Thank you for sharing and watching over at YouTube. Guys, if you are watching me at YouTube, I really, really appreciate that. So, YouTube po tayo. Ang YouTube na channel natin is Pedro. Ayan po, Pedro Zid. Ayan, YouTube po natin, ilagay po natin Pedro Zid. Mamaya na lang siguro, next time na lang siguro ko ilagay yan. But anyway, thank you po, thank you if you are watching me live at mayong buntag, udto po Jared Nestra Ortiz Enriquez. Thank you, shout out sa inyo adya. Thank you sa inyong tanan yung mga nag-watch. And I know two of you guys or most of you guys are my clients with the Spot API. So karon guys, upgrade na ta karon. We now upgrade to futures. Before, I was hesitant to do a futures, alam niyo na. But right now, buhay nga si Coco Martin eh. Tayo pa ba kaya? Wala namang ginawa sa atin, di ba? So, we will all do it in a very manageable way. Okay? Yun ang importante. So, most likely, the exposure we're going to do is about 5 to 7% of the portfolio per trade. All right, Mellow 101, welcome back, sir. Yes, I'm back. Thank you for watching sa YouTube, guys. Thank you so much. We're back, actually. Woo! We're back. Okay, we're back for the futures. Saan po tayo pupunta? Futures. All right, here we go. Maganda kasi yung futures, lalo na ngayon. This is the baseline. This is the support period ng kumbaga sabihin natin Bitcoin. Actually, guys, to be honest, I mean, not to be honest, I'm not saying because it's not factual, but it's merely an observation. At naririnig ko rin, nagmamarites tayo eh. But ang minamarites natin is mostly on cryptocurrency. Nakikinig tayo sa mga bali-balita. Eto po, let us take note though, Bitcoin is considered to be the king of cryptocurrency or all of the crypto token, but it's not actually the one that is running everything. It's the Ethereum, guys. Ethereum po ang nagdadala ng lahat. Ang Bitcoin wala eh. Wala na. It's just, well, when I say wala na, it means to say that it is totally unregulated It is on a free world. Wala pong nagko-control sa kanya. It just weighs, it just correlates with a token similar to it or kind of like similar to it but can be controlled or totally I would say may owner. And Ethereum po may owner. Okay? Si sino? Alam niyo na, si Buterin. Aha. 'Di ba? So Buterin is pushing into the Ethereum 2 which is in the future, actually not in the future, they're using it to Ethereum 2 or ETH2 is for um, ang tawag natin dito para mas adaptable siya pagpasok ng mga Web3. Okay? Web3 guys, this is the future, right? So, yan po ang pwedeng maniobra muna ngayon according to the bubuwit. So, bale, nagbaba ang, di ba? Ang una natin napansin, unang nagbaba talaga ng masyado, it is the Ethereum to accommodate something. What that something is, I don't know. Okay? But anyway, support na po tayo. Most likely support. Actually, nag-support ang Ethereum from 800 siguro or 900. I think that was it. And then after this, yung iba nagsabi na we're down. I don't care. We should not be worried about that. But eventually, the higher probability is that, kasi everything is probability, everything is statistics, that most coins will go up in the next coming days. All right? Bullish po. When I'm saying that, I think Bitcoin will be going to around 60 to 70 in December. Kaya kung meron kayong Bitcoin ngayon, just hold it. Okay, leave it like that kasi pag i-change ninyo, most likely talo kayo. Alright? So anyway, going back, now why we started with the futures? Kasi this is the way na ma-maximize po natin ang mga profits natin, especially when the market is trending up. Okay? Example nito. Hindi na lang po example. Kunwari yung, okay nga, example na lang. For example, any token. So, nag-profit ka for X number of profits in the regular spot, siguro 2%. That is going to be magnified if you're using that in futures. And I think Jared Nestua and Jared, who's listening right now, is one of, nag-follow sa akin. And congratulations, Jared, you won 51% at that time, right? Wow. So kung naka 51% ka, naka-leverage ka, then that is good. That is the good. Good na po 'yan. Then most likely you have the potential to profit even bigger. All right? A huge potential for you to profit even bigger. Yun po. Yun ang mangyayari sa atin. Okay. Just take note, ang exposure lang po natin is on the API, sa API natin, is 5 to 7% lang of your portfolio. Meaning to say, napaka-safe po. Makatrade tayo ng 5. So 5 times 5, 25%. That's 25% of your total portfolio is being exposed. Still manageable. Panalo, kunwari, sa 5, panalo 3, talo 2, you're still good. Kahit pa siguro isa lang, alright? And most of the time, most of the time guys sa trending ngayon, for the past 6 days, puro po tayo on the money. Huwag tayo mag-mention ng on the money. We will mention, we are on the crypto. On the top. So, on the top tayo, okay? So, yun po ang nangyari sa trades natin in the past 6 days. So, bago ko pinasok ang Futures API, guys, ngayon, nag-trade muna ako sa sarili ko. So, okay, I trade. At kung ano po yun, alam niyo na, wala pong Binance.com dito. Pero there is always a way. Ayan, meron pong paraan para po makapag-trade dito sa US ng futures. But anyway, that will be discussed further. Welcome back. So any questions, guys? If you have any question right now, it would be the best time for you to do so. Okay? So Q&A po tayo ang ating purpose ngayon. Okay. Sa API natin, while I'm talking here, you can always ask question. So sa API po natin, minimum po natin is 100 USDT. So at least hindi masyado siya malaki. So anybody can join with only 100 USDT for that. And offer po natin guys, free naman tong signal natin. If you know the signal, you don't need to do the API. If you know the trades, like say for example, ito guys let me share really quick. Share ko lang ito sandali sandugay guys. Ito. Ayan. Say, kung alam niyo kung saan ito papasok, like this is June 28 signals. Kung alam niyo saan ito papasok, ayan, ito. Sa Bybit ko, nag-future sir, pwede. Thank you, Beaver Aqua, for watching over at the YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Pag-subscribe. Thank you. Oh yeah, Bybit. You can share your wala tayong it doesn't matter. Pwede kayo mag-share sa mga accounts niyo. Merong nag-Bybit, meron pong ang Pionex kasi walang leverage masyado ang Pionex. Okay lang siya sa mga bots but pwede lang pang purely passive. Meron din basta maraming ibang mga platforms guys that you can actually use. Poloniex, okay? Pwede kayong kayong mag-feature sa Poloniex, FTX, ftx.com, hindi po ftx.us. Pwede kayong mag-features doon. So there's so many platforms available. Ang BitMEX, controversial until ngayon ang BitMEX So medyo iwas pusoy muna ako sa BitMEX. Okay? Ang maganda guys, Binance.com, pwede tayo. Kung pwede kayo makapaglagay ng mga target na nito, like this one on the screen, then that's good. So settle for that one. Sa mga hindi pa masyadong marunong kung saan sila magpasok at mag-exit, nagpapa-API muna sila. Bakit ko sinabing 100 guys? Use the minimum one. Kasi pag minimum naman, Ben Birayda na, uy, hello Ben, salamat kay Ben kasi YouTube ka ni Tanaw Ben. Daghan, thank you. Maraming thank you for watching me at YouTube. One pa na, YouTube. Katawa. Sige na lang. Dili man ta grammar police. Is pronunciation police. Anyway, going back. Bakit 100 lang? Kasi pwede ka maggawa ng second account mo. Anybody can make 100 account. Anybody can make, I don't know how many accounts you can make for your Binance.com. Use different email, phone number. As long as secured with your 2FA, walang problema yan. So, bakit 100 lang? Kasi you can make that as your copy. Di ba? You can make it as your template. And then nakikita niyo doon, nag-open ng trade pala si Cryptodamos or si Pedro. Ayan. I-copy nyo lang, 'di ba? I-copy nyo lang sa eto, sabi ni Ben. So from Binance, i-copy niyo doon sa Bybit. 'Di ba? Pwede. Ayan. So ito yung kanina, that was about anong oras? 9 na ngayon. This was, and I think meron na nag-hit nito. Ganon kabilis guys. Ganon ka ang trades natin, positions natin. Malamang may nag-hit na nito ngayon. Hindi ko lang, mamaya ko malalaman. Di ba? So that's our number 3. Number 4, 6 lang binibigay ko. At saka sa TikTok ko guys, meron akong TikTok. Sinare ko na rin ito sa TikTok. Mas madali lang sa TikTok. Siguro mga 20 seconds lang. I-scroll ko lang. Ko lang to sa TikTok. Then that's it. Number 5. And then, either kay June. Kay June lang malakas pala. Send your API to June lang malakas. Or, pwede po sa kuha. Kay June magud mausa na tanan. And then, make sure that it is futures enabled. USDT-M. Okay? Ayaw dito sa coin-m kasi coin dili man ta mag future sa BTC or BNB. USDT lang atong futures. Okay? Do pwede, I mean I don't mind. Okay, depende pero ang akong signal nga akong ginatan-aw karon, the signals that I am really looking at in a microscopic level. When I say microscopic, dili gid akong gitutukan ba. Metaphor lang. Kaning USDT pairs. Okay. Kaya okay sir, copy. Yes. So ana lang no, kung natay mga pangutana along the way then June lang malakas is creating a group chat. Balik ta sa group chat, futures group chat. Alright, buta na to. Digos Live, futures group chat. And nag-create si June Ala. Make sure sa mga gusto mag-API, join that. We're back guys, we're back. We're going to go back with our with Zoom. Mag-Zoom na punta, balik, di ba? Pakatawa ba? Like just the last time, right? Si Jessie, pirmi na ko makita si Jessie sa Zoom to una. Sila ni Nognog. Sila ni atong mga Australian. Let's go back, guys. Let's go back. Hello. And then, let's see. Let's observe 1-2 months. Then, kamo ni bala sa pangkapi, ha? Mora, kamu na bahala, ana naman yung pag-astorya. Alright. Okay. Wala. Sige, diri lang ta. Mag-live lang ta diri. Kung na mga pangutana, atong kanon. And then at the same time, we can also do tutorials. Basic tutorial lang. Kung gusto mo magbuhat-buhat o inyo sa mga signals. Again guys, I'm so consistent with my signals. 6 kuan ra gyud ko, MA ra gyud ko. And mo man niya akong ginagamit guys. Diri ra man ko gabasa. Wa may lain ako ipakita ninyo. Eto. Kana ramang ko. Diha ramang ko mo tan-aw sa akong mga pinanggang mga token. Oh, di ba? Diara ko mo tanaw-tanaw ana mga friends, mga igan. Gani lang Tanaw-tanawon ra na ako na sa kadyot diha. Wala na. Sampulan daw nato guys, be. Unsa man tay nakita nato ganina. Nasa naman tong sample nato, be, sample. Tanaw na to, be, kung sulod na ba wala ba? At tayo pildi ganing tani. Ayo taon. Short tawag H bar. Okay, H bar ta hash graph. Tanaw na to ang hash graph, be. Unsay dagan sa hash graph karon? Oh, big ba na? Sorry. H bar, Hedera hash graph. Grabe guys. Igo man dayon. Kita na nakaw na igo na dayon. Hedera hash graph, grabe. Target 1 igo na. TL mo na. TL mo yan mga friends, mga ganina pa lang 6, mga na pa lang ko sa 9. Pag diri pa lang pilang target na to, be. Tanawan na to ang Hedera hash graph. Ayaw to pakita, unsa man to pakita na ako Hedera hash graph 0.68 69 na lang, 0.69. Wop, asa naman to? 0.69. Diri guys. Data entry. Diri ta nag-entry ganina. Diri siya ni sulod. Ingsa ka kadyot, pero wala. Taas lalom kaya nga tong ang lalim ng natin guys. Ng take stop loss natin. So, daratagikan guys hash graph. Taraw, 0.0674. Asa naman siya karon? Wow, target 1 igo na guys. Grabe, wala na ko say. Wala ko say mga friends. Ganina pa lang ni guys, 6-7. Igo na dre in between target 1 and target 2. Pag naka-trailing ka, Pag naka-trailing ka nito, oh my God, mas kuyaw. Magtuloy-tuloy siya until finally nga mudip siya to 1%. Meron ka ng 6%, meron ka ng 5%, guys. Pag nag-triggers pag mag-trigger ang trailing at 5.72%, it will close at 4.72 kung mag-down siya. Ana na siya ang mechanics niya, ana. So kaso kung tahay wala, assuming na to wala, like here, definitely diri siya nag-close. 0.68, wow. Ay, lamix music, oh. TikTok dancing. Mag-TikTok na lang tani. Di ba? Ah? Kita niyo na guys. Did you see that? I just gave this early today, 6 in the morning sa Pilipinas. Pagka alas 12 sa udto, alas 12 naman karon siguro. Tama ba ko? Alas 12 na? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 hours guys. Take profit na mo. Trailing pa ni siya kung gitrail kay. Akong API karon, I use the trailing. Ginamitan ko ng trailing, pwede 1% pero mas guwapo, exciting ang trailing. So gigamitan akong trailing profit. Meaning pag it will only close kung mag-less siya og 1%. Palakpakan ta guys, palakpakan ta dire. Grabe. Grabing palakpakan na to ani, maka-cowboy man sa daanig kaahat. Tuwa. Ang uban. Ugma na lang uban guys sa akong live ugma. Balik tayo kalimot guys. Wag po niyong kalimutan uli paki-share. Share lang po, share po natin yung YouTube ko na channel. At saka the more people nga ma-involve sa tuwa diri guys, okay, the more people who will be in the profit, so the more nga tendency ang atong coin nga musaka ang asa padulong, right? It's like a little bit of a pumping and dumping. Okay, so the more people we help, the more blessing will come. So, grabe, live ni uy. Jun lang malakas o ano mo, live ni? Live ni. Shout out. Ako nang i-mention ganina, Jun lang malakas, na for anyone who's interested to join the API, ara si Jun lang malakas, may laing tigulang nga tao bumuton. Ay mo kumpiyansa guys kay bumuto na. In short, in a way, he will help you how to set up the API. Okay, again, API nato minimal lang tat. 100 okay na. Sa 100 ang akong expose ana kay minimum sa Binance is $10, di ba? So 100, so mga 10 trades na lang siya and I'll make like about 6 trades in a day, 6 or 7, and then mag-close pa ang uban. At least natin makita. Karon ko kabantay nagkaon. So ano lang, and then you can open another account nga na futures like Bybit. Okay? Kanang ginaingon ni Ben Viray. Pwede Bybit, pwede Poloniex, i-open niyo para dito niyo i-copy ang trade nga inyong nabuhat sa API, the trade that you had executed in the Binance API to the other platform. Kasi if you have a second Binance account, no problem. Why need Bybit, right? So if you have a second Binance account, so be it. It's better. Look, kasiksing ba yan now? Sige guys. Ang oras ko do? Pinsa mo na. Look! Bastos. Naundang gugug gadget. Kaunday. Makalain, maginawa. Dako bigay ang TV diri guys, 75 inches gud ni. Pwede ka maundang. Disclaimer na risk basta cryptocurrency trading. Okay, bye. Pakita na ko ni. All right, let me just there's always a risk in cryptocurrency. Yes, especially futures, guys. Okay, there is always a risk involved. Despite na most of the time we are on a win, we are on the money, but again, there is always a risk of losing. Lalo na if you're not following the right entry. And then if you go beyond what is manageable leverage, like para sa kuha, I'm okay with 10x, 20x, okay pa na siya. Pero kung sa 20x man good guys, just imagine 20x, ninggamay ang kuha na eh. I mean, pwede. If you can manage if you can manage to win, to lose big, well, winning big is the reward. Diba? Mag 10x mo, the reward is bigger, but the risk for the exposure and liquidation is also tighter. So, Sir Peds, ta sa cake, salamat. Oo, oo. TA sa cake, pwede tamo TA sa cake. Kusog man ang pancake. Gwapo man ang cake. Ho! Kusog ang cake. Kung ganina ning cake, no? For example, if we traded cake earlier today, 3. Okay, let me see. Where am I? Where are you, baby? Oop, napamulay ni akong ballplane ako sa tanggalon, guys, ha? Akong kani kayo, kay mga wani siya. Dautan kay tanaw, ana din, no? Dautan kay pananaw ba, no? Okay, TA Takajot. Up, asa na to? 15-3. So kung ganina ni siya guys, TA, in a short term, karon medyo musaka pero volatile kay movement sa cake, Cheesecake Factory ah. Well, unsa ni siyang cake kanang token or ani? Ay, dali. Cheesecake pancakes. Cheesecake Factory mo na ito ha, baba kang Cheesecake Factory. So, kuanday pancake swap. I think pancake swap will stay kay daghan kayo gamit sa pancake swap. In fact, karon kita ka, di ako gagamit sa akong pancake swap. TA na to, unsa nga time frame? Let's check the time frame. 12 na ta karon, 12 ganina at 6. All right. At so 1 day lang a time frame, you could have won kung gibull na to ni siya ganina. But right now, I think pasaka siya guys, ang trend niya. Pero daghan mo palit, daghan mo baligya, mo ni ang trend sa TA. Pero if we look at a quick BB niya ani, mo down siya siguro in 1 hour time. Kasi short period lang tayo. Take my TA. 3 minutes lang. So mo down ni siya in a few moments from now. Mga siguro in a 1 or 2 hour, couple of hours, it will go down and eventually go up back again. Ang cake. So, the good thing with cake is you can hold it. Pag hold ani, this is a good token to hold. Kaya ang price sa cake karon butanot is $3.03. So, I'm using cake every now and then para sa akong mga transaction. Though I don't buy the token, pero daghan kay liquidity nag-join sa cake. It's one of the most stable BSC network exchange. Okay, ang cake. Especially with liquidity pair and whatnot. So, cake is a good investment. Cake is a good investment. kung ang oscillations nato karon at 3 minutes guys ha, di na nakausbo ng akong oscillator. Dili mag-conform kay sa taas siya ganina, karon pwede naman po ka mubay. I mean, for 3 minutes, I think it will go up further, pero nasa sa stock 3 baba, depende. So, dili mag-conform ang iyang, the best thing you can do to make a win-win in cake is to hold it. Hold cake because cake is really good. Solana. Solana, sir. Sige. Atong tanawon ng time frame ha. Unsa man ninyo nga trade? Tell me. Quick trade, kumbaga pangsugo nga type, pang biglang liko or pangsugo nga type o pangkasal. Ang cake hindi siya pangsugo type, pangkasal siya type. So long term happily ever after si cake. So go ahead with cake. It's a beautiful token. Promise. All right. Solana. Ako pangutana kay dili kay kuan si Solana no. Nasa sa FTX, KuCoin. Na ba siya sa Binance? Wala man ko kakita siya sa Binance kaayo. So this is, though gwapo siya, gwapo kay I've heard Solana, but you know, unless you're listed in Binance, mahitabo nga volatile kayo siya guys. Dili siya stable, volatile siya. Kay dili kayo siguro taas ang iyong volume. But let's check the volume of Solana. Sa KuCoin ni siya guys ha. I am now looking at KuCoin. Kukukuri coin. So at 3 minutes time frame, it's still going up. So in a matter of 2 hours or 3 hours, it will go up. Yeah. Tezos, gwapo ang Tezos. XTZ Tezos. Ang akong mastorya guys ha, anything nga naay network are good coins pang matagalan. AVAX, well, BSC, na naman na siya. Kanang mga tag-iyaw mga networks, those the native tokens of different networks, they are good. So, naman na siya. Anything nga ma-exchange sa MetaMask, gwapo na siya guys. Gwapo na siya nga token. Yan nga sample. Di lang ako makita, maulaw ko makita sa akong, ay, naku, ayun lang, pakita na akong MetaMask diya. Maulaw ta, nga ana ray sulod, ana 0.3 ra Bitcoin, 0.3 Binance pag yun. Okay. Eto, so at longer term, so 3 minutes versus 1 day. Well, kani November dire 2022, this is the longer trend 1 day. O pababa siya. Okay, that was actually every coin beginning November down man to. Bearish trend man kita karon, and from, check this out, from November or December, I would say January, magsugod na kasi napay dire. Usually from January down to June, July, most tokens, kung magbaba ang Ethereum, the rest are correlated token. So tanan mapiktaran. Kay nagsugod man ang tanan sa ERC20. Then they just created their own network. Like say for example, Avalon, ni-create sa ilang network. Solana, ni-create sa ilang network. Uban pa, no? Nga mga buta na to, unsa may mga exchanges nga available. Phantom, KCC, Heco, ang Ethereum network man ang pinakamama. So natay Phantom, okay gapo na siya. FTM are good token. KCC, KuCoin, well, of course, Binance. Pero sa karon ang trending niya, kung correlated siya, kung pareho ra gyud. Tanan. all network tokens, all network native tokens would follow Ethereum ERC20's trend. So baba tanan. But here's the good news, guys. Kay giingon dire check this out. This is a very long term. So year to year basis, I mean a month to month basis at the day time frame. You see this? Kita ninyo ni? The blue line cross the yellow line. Pag cross niya ani, asa man na siya padulong, diri na. Ulaton na lang nato, we'll just wait until the red goes down, meaning to say that will be a bullish market. If the red is on up, that is a bearish market. Okay? So, at 6, eto, by month to, that is the normal trend. It is just simply correlated. So, if we go back to 3 minutes, baliktaan na, so pasaka siya karon. Well, pareho. So ang istorya ganyan na, nagpasaka na sa anam na sila og pasaka. They started to accumulate. People start buying right now. Matingala na lang taani guys, no? And then we're just surprised that the next thing we know, somebody bought about 5,000 Bitcoins or 5,000, 10,000 Ethereum or sa price karon, they would, because they're going to sell it again on December and January again mo lump down na po siya. This is the normal trend sa cryptocurrency ever since 2016. Pag this January down, slump down to June. Then hinay-hinay na po niya. Do you remember 2018 when I said that I bought like about 3,000 pa ang Bitcoin ato nga time, nakapalit ko. And then by December of the same year, nahimong 25,000 per Bitcoin. What is the Bitcoin last year? Sa month of May, katong panahon sa COVID. Pila man to, tag 4,000 ang Bitcoin, di ba? And then eventually in the month of November, pila pa to? Wow, nahimong 60. Every 6 months ang cycle nila. The first 6 months down, the second 6 month up, the next 6 month down. It's a roller coaster ride. Oscillations na siya guys, sine waves. Uy, sine waves ha. Okay. ADA is strong. I have a lot of Cardano. Okay, it's a good time to buy for me. Dili siya volatile kayong ADA. Very slow moving because it's one of the top 10 coins. All right? But it is highly correlated with Bitcoin. So kung unsa ang flow aning Solana, pareho ra sa flow sa Bitcoin, sa Ethereum o sa ADA. Pareho ra na sila. Tanawon ginatong ADA ha. Ano na to? I-confirm na to in 1 day. Data. Tanaw na to ang day para makita na to ang katag lisngag bang ilong o dili. ADA at crypto. Wala na perpetual. Cardano. Di ba? Ano na siya? Sir, sa API enable features lang. Ayaw na ang spot. Dili, wala sa spot. Pwede. Butang yung spot pero magduwa sa kuwang API. Magduwa siya eh. So, para ma-ignore nato na siya, futures na lang. And make sure sa futures, it is USDT-M. So, means USDT margin. Ayaw ang coin margin kay. Pero pwede good yapon. Di man ta mag-trade. Dili man ta mag-BNB or BUSD. BUSD, coin BUSD, pwede mag-yapon. Pero ako na kayo, spread out na kayo. We might end up so thinly. Yes, so Beer, tama. Oh, guys, good evening, Sir Peds. Ay, si Facebook user, di na ako mabasa yung name ay. Okay, si Facebook user, dili paryaning uban dili paryaning ni Melo, TA sa ADA. Okay, the same thing let me answer this sa TA sa ADA. Well, from October, November, down gito siya, pero taas na ni siya. It is always at those months na minahinay na po naog muslump na po siya until go down really deep on the month of June, July. Actually, magsugod na sa May ang pinakasakit. Alright? And then June, July, napay kuan diha, and then it will start to accumulate. Then from the accumulation phase, musaka na po siya. Either ang pagsaka ni guys, napadiri o lampas sa screen. Promise. Ang saka ni normal mo ginang trend niya. Gitawag nato siya og baby steps. Ani, sa 3 minutes the baby steps of 3 minutes ay saka, hinay, down siya. And then, ang next niya is taas pa siya kaysa ani. Higher than this one. And then down na po siya. And then higher than the second one. So, the same thing with the day. Sa day na to, tanaw na to. Sa kanina po siya. Sa next year po, diri na po niyo. Lampas na siya sa screen. Lampas na niya sa screen, ang wave pattern niya. It's always wave pattern. Okay? Kung tanaw na to usay, dili kay tight ang wave niya. Usay, kaniya spread out kayang wave ani niya. Nayuban nga tight kaayo. Except lang atong mga ginapang rug pull. So, guys, be careful with kana bitong gamay ra kay volume ng mga tukin ba. Be careful mga na kay rug pull gyud ana. Ritso gina hurot yung TKO diha. So, XTZ, tanaw na to sa XTZ. Request ni perpetual man ko. Perpetual man ay. XTZ open interest, dili na lang ta DeFi. Na perp man ay, na perp man ka dong, perp. Bybit. So, pwede mo sa Bybit, pwede mo sa Coinbase. Futures Coinbase. Wala may future ng Coinbase po. Tingala man si Jordan. XTZ. Wala, perpetual ra sila. Pirmi. Tizos. Kanina na dara-dara. Diba? Sa day, pareha kita na, no? Pareha tanan. Karon na tama na ang long karon. It's a good to long. So, by tanaw ng kwintahon na nato niyon. Yang pasaka niya paspas ba ni steep ba yung pasaka ni dili November. Dili ni pareha pag down, hinahinay down kay hinahinay baligya ang mga tao, hinahinay baligya maniid pa nga musaka di na siya musaka until June, July di ginamsaka. Ay saka na pero kung day trader ka like me, day trader ko, every blips dire. No, I'm making money, guys. I'm making money of every blips kasi day trader tayo. So kung holder ka, you watch out. The better time to hold, the better to start buying if you want to hold is today, this month. Okay? June, July, August, musaka na. Pero tawag nang yapon ka. You still win. Okay. Janver Joper, ICP. Tanaw na itong ICP Guwapo ba yung ICP youths? Ay, grabe siya kakuan. Smooth ang ICP. Tanaw na to ang iyang kuan. Kung guwapo ba siya i-day trade. Dili kay kung mo day trade og smooth, guys. Dugay ko kaginan siya. Smooth ra kayo. Uy, down siya. So, most of the coin right now, sa 6 o'clock ganina, malamang ni kung ganina ko nag-analyze ako ning gipulsuhan ni ganina. Pag pinulsuhan ko ito kanina pa lang, 6 o'clock, I would go 6 o'clock, sanang 6 o'clock. I would go for a bull aning nga time at 6. Diri ko ganina no, assuming na to 6 o'clock ko let's assume I'm 6 o'clock in the morning. So I would go dire nag-down na siya. So I am assuming that it will go bull. But eventually it did bull sa dring apart. Pero sa nakita na ako guys, the red is on the up at 3 minutes. Ganina at 6 o'clock. If I include that on my trade, I will go bear. And eventually I might, delikado ko makuano kay spiky kay siya guys. Spiky. Pero dili ko mo stop loss pa I don't think so I will stop loss. Gagmay kayo graduation. But granting na nga granting ko nag-short ko it is a big win. Sa karon pa lang, in 6 hours again. If we have this, nag-short ko kay today, at 6 o'clock today, 6 o'clock sa inyo sa Pilipinas, 6 a.m., I went mostly bear. Okay? Nag-short ko tanan ato. Minat tanan, but mostly I went short because I'm thinking that Okay? The red line is still on the top. Wala pa consolidation sa red. Wala pa nag-ilog-ilog diri gamay. Bisag diri man lang. Wala, good. So meaning to say, at 6 o'clock, I would go bear. I would say, I would go bear on this one. So, di na lang ako mabasa diri ang oscillations na niya. No? Kaya ang oscillations is real time. So, oscillations na ako for real time. Pasaka na, RSI, I will not trade for this. Nga no, libog. Lukot pa ko sa lukot, ani. So, probably, I will not open up anything on this one because it doesn't conform. The two are not conforming yet. I have to conform whether, eto, ani akong style mag-trade, guys. Magkana. BB, I have to have my BB conform. So, dire, nara ang BB nako, it's above the median line. Then let's go to the oscillation above, way above the break line, which is on the top sa stock 3. I would go short next. Kaya nga naman, natay naman ako ang kwan, ang profit ani. Assuming nako ako ning short ganina, mag-short na bugo. Libo ko. But dili ko mo trade ani kay naka-short na ko eh. If I did a short right now, nakadawg na ko ganina ani. Assuming na to ha, if I did a trade on this, assuming lang, assuming kay ko bo, assuming ko oy. Ana asa naman to oy? Asa man ka oy? Dara MA lang, MA ra gyud. Oh. At 6. Ibutangan yun ang MA lang. Oh, 6 ni bear na ko ani dire. Mag-bear na ko ani. So nidaog na ko dire, pasaka na pud siya, nya mo down na pud siya further. I am not sure but I think it will go up. Pasaka ni siya. Pasaka gyapon. Gwapo gyapon ning ICP kay internet kuan. Kalimot ko sa pangalan ng ICP, but it is good. I would recommend if you are day trading, pwede ka mo careful na kung mo short anig ano because I already shorted. Diri pa lang sa 6 o'clock pa lang nag-short na ko diri. Okay? So I will not short this kay diri na ko nakadawg na ko diri eh. Oh, tara klaro kita na kayo. Diri ko nag-short 6 o'clock. To. Diri pa lang dawg na ko. Unsang oras? Ay no, this is wrong. Sorry, good. Oh, diri ko. So diri pa lang. Ana ha, diri ko musugod 6. Butang to 6 ni entry ko diri ko ni entry na i-break. Diri ko dawg na ko diri So if it was already a win, are you going to do a bear position on that one? No, I wouldn't. I would buy. I would go long. Laina sa kong babaw. Lalahaw yun. I would go long. Ninglo. Laina. Long mandayon. Palang gani ko. I said, when I just mentioned I would go long, ninglong. Diba? I mean, I hope you got the idea now. Pero, again, I keep on giving signals at 6 in the morning. So, tanawa lang ninyo, nasa TikTok, nasa akong YouTube dire, every 6 in the morning, guys. After time, take note ha, time is the essence here. Bantayin ninyo ang time kay di na siya pwede after karon. I-follow ninyo kana akong trade signal karon, inyong i-trade karon, pildi mo, garantisado. So ayaw na mo pag-open ng position after nabahaw na. Ano, sayo-sayo po man to. Pwede ba? Pwede po man siguro 6. Ay, hindi na, bear na kayo guys. Gamay na lang siya. So ang next nimo, you are hoping that it will go on the same direction like this. Muhana mo. So I mean, I'm talking about ICP ha. Are you expecting this direction? I doubt na. Lisod na guys. Kaya may tabo niya ani mo ani rin siya, mo correct lang ni gamay. Kay mo una mentality, the mentality is that wow, it went up a little bit, so I should sell it. I should sell some of mine sa mga short token. So, small token. So, it will go down a little bit, it will correct. But people who saw in a different time, iba-iba ang tao iba-iba yung tinitingnan nila May nagtumitingin ng 3-minute time frame, some are looking at longer time frame. Kung nagtanaw, pag ang tumingin dito is on 1 hour time frame, he'll buy. Yeah. Ito, how long? May correction ito. I don't know. It might go somewhere. I mean, I'm careful with this now because sa karon mo trade mo og long. Very this is one thing na I don't like. May ngani ka ng ICP manggod bago pa ni siya nga D5 ba. Hadlok kayo, grabe kay spiky kayo. Alright? Unlike sa ubans, medyo smooth lang, medyo okay lang. But nature of tokens, parang namang hindi ko kilala. Parang ako ang nanibago. Parang hindi mo naman kilala, Miss Pedro. Ayan. So, it will not go down further. Humana ang bear ani niya. Mora niya ang target. I would take let me see what's my target for the ICP. Pila ka percent. Buta na to 5.55, 5.55, and then 5.85. Butang na to at percent to. Medyo lalom na siya, guys. Lako na kayo na nga diferensya 5.85 to 5.55. Yeah. So, it might have a little bit of a correction. I hope that is... I would play safe. I would not trade sa ICP. I mean, if you're day trading or if you're day trading and if you want to do a quick win right now in less than an hour, I would go down. I would go bear. I would sell it. Okay. If I want to sustain it for 6 hours, I already did my short and it was closed. The next thing would happen is long. Okay lang. Okay. So, grabe ka steep dito pa lang So I hope guys that's okay, isa na lang. Then mag-out na ko guys. Pila ko ka minutes be? Pila na ka minutes akong na nagsigaw-yaw dere. Pila minutes kay para dili boring ba. Pero guys thank you guys. Wag niyong kalimutan po mag-smash sa subscribe button para ma-notify kayo at 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. Sorry kung pinaaga ko kayo, but that is the best time for you to do the trades. Actually, so that you can see, the outcome for the rest of the day. So magtatanaw mo sa cellphone perme ba? Manood kayo sa cellphone ba? Mag-nood kayo doon. Nangyari nito. Ayan. But if you see a good profit already of 5% or 4%, close it. No, I guarantee you it will be a win. Guarantee na guys, guarantee. Ayan. Okay. Thank you, Beaver. Thank you kayo, Bira, Ben. Daghang kayong salamat. Maraming salamat guys sa inyong lahat sa panonood dito sa YouTube channel ko. Guys, paki-share, the more trader that I get, guys, the more influence we can move on with the trade. Daghan kayo mabisingan pod mo. Daghan mga igo, musabay sa to nga mas daghan ta. Remember the pump and dump idea? Kung daghan ta ni mo follow sa akong projection, if many of us will be following this projection, if many of us will be doing the same thing with the forecast, then the easier for us to push or the coin at whatever direction we want. Diba? Ganun lang yan kasimple. So, don't forget to share. Share the love, share the blessings. Pag mag-follow, panalo. Slang kayong panalo, no? Pag mag-follow, panalo. Dito, sa Digos Live, panalo. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. And thank you for Jun Lang Malakas for always being there. Balik tayo, Jun Lang Malakas. Bumalik nga si Coco Martin eh. Balik din tayo. Ilang beses siyang pinalo sa ulo, ilang beses tayong nagdo-drawdown. Balik tayo. Alright? Let's go. And let's all hope to be financially, to attain a financial freedom. Thank you, and you all have a great day ahead of you. Maraming salamat. Maraming magandang araw ulit sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali. Eat the best. Alright, eat the best. Gusto mo lang akong pang-istorya, oy. Bye-bye.